Fuel quality will vary from pump to pump, and over time, contaminants in fuels will cause carbon deposits to build up throughout your car's entire fuel system. Even in a new vehicle, deposits can start to form in as few as 5,000 to 10,000 miles. And engines today are so finely tuned that even minor deposit formations can cause performance issues. If you're experiencing a decline in gas mileage, hesitation, stalling, and other problems, chances are you have carbon buildup in your fuel system. One Tank Power Renew from CRC Industries is proven to restore your fuel system to like-new condition after just one use. And it lasts 4,000 miles. CRC One Tank Power Renew reaches critical components. It cleans the entire fuel system and is proven to restore lost power, improve engine performance, and increase fuel economy. It provides easier starts, faster acceleration, and better airflow into your engine. But in addition to dramatic mechanical performance improvements, CRC One Tank Power Renew saves money over other fuel treatments on the market. It's a significant value compared to other fuel additives. Typical solvent additives recommend use in every tank of fuel to achieve the advertised product benefits. On average, you'll need 8 bottles of the other products for every single treatment of CRC One Tank Power Renew. This could result in a savings of more than $100 per year in product costs alone. And with better gas mileage, you'll save even more at the pump. The product is easy to use. Take the bottle and the funnel out of the box. Pour the entire contents into a nearly empty gas tank. Refuel, and you're good to go. One bottle treats up to 25 gallons of gasoline and is effective in both gasoline and ethanol blended fuels. Plus, there's also a special formulation available for diesel engines. No other fuel additive offers the extraordinary results CRC One Tank Power Renew provides or the cost savings it delivers. Get your vehicle's power back with One Tank Power Renew, the complete fuel system cleanup, only from CRC Industries.